Howdy, this is Attorney Marc McBride, and I decided to start a web channel and call it the SoCal Criminal Defense Garage. If anyone wants to look me up, my first name is spelled M-A-R-C, my California bar number is 188077, and my website is www.SoCalDefense.com. I plan to cover a wide range of topics dealing with legal and mechanical problems that you may need direction on someday. We might be talking about something like answering questions when a police officer has detained you, or other things like how to replace a seal and bearing on a snowmobile chain case. I also might repaint the dashboard on one of my trucks. If I get really bold, I might even do an engine swap on the Audi A4 behind me. Really, my goal here is to give some basic legal education to anyone who wants it and allow other people to watch me try not to break bolts off in everything I own. I hope you enjoy it.